Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this lightning bolt logo design in Adobe Illustrator using various different techniques. So follow along with today's lightning logo design tutorial by Satori Graphics. What is up, people? Welcome back to Satori Graphics, the home of graphic design content right here on YouTube. So let's waste no more time and let's jump right into today's tutorial where we make a lightning logo design in Adobe Illustrator. To kick things off in today's lightning logo tutorial, press L on your keyboard to access the ellipse tool. Hold down Shift to make a perfect circle and then go ahead and add a gradient fill with no stroke. I'm in a kind of upbeat, vibrant mood today, so I'm going to use strong pinks and purples, but you can use whatever you wish for your logo design. And this is actually going to make up the lightning bolt of our logo. Use the Alt Option key to duplicate the circle 2 more times. Hold down Shift to select the top and the bottom circle and then send them to the back. You can now go ahead and edit the gradients on your circles. I like to change the direction of the gradient on the circles below the middle one, so there's a sense of shadow coming from the up above circle, if that makes sense. But yeah, there is no real science to this, it's your logo design, so experiment with what you think looks best. When ready, press P to locate the pen tool and then draw out a lightning bolt. You can hold down Shift and draw straight horizontal and vertical lines. You can press A on the keyboard to locate the direct selection tool, and you can edit the path of the lightning bolt itself. Press Shift and X together to switch between the stroke and the fill, but we only want to use a fill for this part. With the lightning bolt selected, go up to Object, Compound Path and Make. You can now place the lightning bolt over the circles and then right or Control click and create a clipper mask. You can also access the clipper mask at the top under Object. So there is our funky, vibrant lightning bolt for today's logo design tutorial. Now we're going to make another circle for the base of the logo design. For the gradient in this part of the logo, I use a kind of peachy colour that extends out to an off-white. Bring your lightning bolt over the top of the circles and then send the circles to the back. You then need to press Command or Control C to copy the circle, and then press Command or Control F to duplicate it in place. So now you should have 2 circles. With the pen tool, draw in a section that's going to represent a shadow on our logo design. With the shape complete, hold down Shift to select it, as well as both of the 2 circles, and then send them all to the back. You can now edit the shape until it seems right for your logo design. Now select the shape and one of the circles only, and in the Pathfinder window, use the Intersect option. Now you have a cutout section that's going to represent shadow on your logo design. You're going to want to make a gradient so there's a darker shade coming out of the lightning bolt itself, and at the other end of the gradient you should use a 0% opacity. So at this stage of the logo design tutorial, you're pretty much complete. All you have to do now is add some logo type. And the font that I'm using today is a font that I made myself called Satori Sans, and you can download it via the link in the top right of the screen. So there is today's tutorial on how to design a lightning logo in Adobe Illustrator. Let me know what you guys thought of today's tutorial in the comment section below. If you did enjoy it, remember to give a thumbs up on this video, and also maybe share it on social media so other people can watch it too. If you haven't done already, remember to subscribe to Satori Graphics for weekly graphic design content just like today's video. I upload 3 to 4 times a week on graphic design content just like today's tutorial, but also other aspects of graphic design. So if you do like what I'm doing here, give me a subscribe and turn on the notifications so you never miss an upload. Until next time, design your future today. Peace.